Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy with Blondie in Mexico, and today I am at the INM office where I'm renewing my temporal. And I've actually been here 4 years now, so my temporal is going to go to a permanente. So after 3 years, it goes to the permanente at the 4th year. So I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can show you and show you how it's done here in Mazatlan, Mexico. So let's go check it out. All right guys, so this is the INM office, the immigration office, and it is here in Playa Sur. I'll put the address below for you. But this is what the building looks like when you're looking for it. We are waiting outside. It opens up at 9. We got here about 1:45 because we want to be the first in line. I think for the second though, because we want to get this done. All right guys, so this is my first year being here since the new procedure where we actually walk out with our card. Every other time we had to do all the work and come back, then do fingerprints, then come back and do XYZ, and then finally get our card. And 1 year it took us, God, it was like months to get our card because the machine was broke. So another time they were out of plastic. So this will be nice to be able to actually be able to physically walk out with a card. I'll let you know how this process goes if you haven't been here yet with the new process. So stay tuned. All right, we are inside, about 2 minutes to 9. And I don't know how much I'll be able to record when I'm up with the immigrations, but okay, so we got all our documents. The top ones are what we have to take down to the bank and pay. I'll show you the bank that we have to go to. But first, we are going to walk down about 2 blocks to the right when you come out, and we are gonna go to Holga to get them filled out properly. You can fill these out yourself. I'm gonna pay the $5.50, whatever it is. I'll let you know when we get there for her to do it properly. And then we're gonna head to the bank, and then we're gonna head back. For me, I'm on a temporal work visa, so it is turning into a permanente for my mom and my sister. Their temporals are turning into a permanente as well, and we won't have to do this anymore. This is our last time. So let me show you where Holga's is. All right, so you come out of the INM, you're gonna make a right, and we're gonna walk down to, I don't know if you can see it yet, but there is a red Coca-Cola awning. And this is where Holga is located. So we cross over one street, and there's her awning. It's a little tienda, a little store, and she does all this work right out of her garage. So that's how close she is to the INM office. She's been doing this for years, so she gets all the documents done correctly with no mistakes. And this is it. Right in here, we're gonna wait for her to let us in. Oh, maybe she's not letting us in due to COVID, but this is her. She's gonna do her paperwork. Right here. Let me walk across the street so you can get a good look at the place. So this is where you're gonna go if you want her to do your paperwork. Well, funny story. The copier is broken, so they are unable to print our cards today at the INM office, which kind of seems to be our luck every single time we renew. So we're gonna get all the paperwork, but we will not walk out with our cards today. All right guys, we're done at Holga. So we're gonna go grab the car and run up and pay for it at the bank. It took about 45 minutes or so for her to fill out our paperwork. There was 3 of us, so it was a little bit more time consuming. And let me see what we have to pay at the bank. So we have 2 slips. The first slip is going to be for 1,514 pesos. And the second slip is for 5,776 pesos. And we're gonna head up to the bank and I'll show you where the bank is. All right guys, we're heading to the bank right now. We're on the Mazatlan, we're going to BBVA. And it is 11 o'clock, so it's been about 2 hours so far. But we did make a pit stop at Euro Bakery over by I&M office to grab some cookies and croissants and a couple iced teas. That was about 20 minutes. So we're about an hour and 40 minutes in. So let me show you where the bank is. Okay, so this is where we're going. Right at Olas Altas. Almost at the end where the roundabout is. Right in here. So this is where we have to go pay. So I don't know if I'm able to film in here, so I'm gonna run in, pay this, and then we're back to the I&M office. All right, 11:27 and we're back at I&M. We finished with the bank and let's see what we have to do in here. All right guys, we are done. It's 12:43. That took about 3 hours and 43 minutes, but we do have to come back because like I said, the cameras or something, printer, something's not working. So we have to come back and he said it's going to take another 20 minutes when we do get back. So looks like it took almost 4 hours, start to finish. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed showing you. Till next time.